Good morning. Today is Sunday, 25th, 2026. Today is a snowstorm. It's just 3 hours start storm. Already like 3 or 4 inch. You can see here. We are in Asnin, West. We are in Asnin, Westchester, New York. Snowstorm. Sunday, 2026. January Sunday, 2026. You can see it's like 2 to 3 inch, 3 hours, just 3 hours starting. It's like 10:30 in the morning. It's gonna be have more snow, baby. It's gonna be more snow, baby. Guys who are in the road, be careful. If you don't have to go out, stay home. It's very bad. I hope this snow, inshallah. Yeah, we are in Asnin, Westchester, New York. I'm just filming from home.